Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I have a inspired orange brown makeup look. So if you guys want to know how to have this makeup look, then please keep watching. First things first, we've got to prep our skin with a good face cream, and here I'm using my vitamin E cream before I even apply makeup on. Next thing I'm doing is I'm curling my lashes, so it gives me the depth and definition of how I would want my eye makeup to look like. For today's look, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and as you can see, I used the color Low Blow as a base eyeshadow before going in with the two darker tone shades, which are Enfugo and Ashes, just to build up the crease of my eyes. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of Golden Caramel, and this is a perfect color for my skin tone. I'm just blending them all over the face before applying a loose powder just to avoid any cakiness under the eye. Just bear with me, you guys. I always have difficulty getting those lashes on my eyes, but once I'm done with it, I will go with a final round of blending my eyeshadow before moving on to waterline my under eye. So for this look, since the eyes is already smoky enough, I'm going with a small winged eyeliner on the outer corner of my eyes. Honestly, I am so obsessed with bronzing my face these days, and every of my makeup look always have a bronzer at the end of it. So for today's look, I'm going in with a major bronzer on my face before applying a little bit of blusher on the apples of my cheeks, just to get a definition of a rosy feel to the whole makeup today. Those of you who have been following on my Instagram profile, you know that I've collaborated with Cancan Beauties, and they've given me their new range of shades within the color of Caffeine Fix. It's a beautiful golden orange color, and it smells so good. I have to tell you, it's so good, and it makes me feel like I'm eating a candy on my lips. So for today's look, this is going on my face. And we have come to the end of my makeup look today. This is the finished result, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I personally love the way how it turned out to be. Probably I'm gonna wear this more often. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.